Come on in one. Watch your step.
Kind of all the way towards the front.
Please remain seated, keep all hands, arms, legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, you have children and folks, keep an eye on the wings, do not want another skip the turn. We are now entering Monstro. This is the same wall that is Pinocchio, but don't worry about it, he's better, he is good to go. He's just giving us a hand into Storybook land. All of our stories start with the Once Upon a Time, and we are starting with the Three Little Pigs. As we turn the little corner right here to my left hand side, we have the Big Bad Wolf.
Sinking.
There you go. There we go. How do you guys want to talk?
We're gonna say it's a battleship. We're playing battleship. We're playing battleship.
To my left hand side, we have Alice in Wonderland. We're chasing that rabbit all day long till they fell into that rabbit hole all the way down to Wonderland. Now to my right, we have London Park, but as you can see, we have no displays on there. But that one's screwed onto the island. The other one's the duck leg throwing in the water. One day, this is what we keep hearing plans. Rumor is if you let him out, he grants you 3 wishes. But for now, go ahead and say a wish. Don't say it out loud, and I hope it comes true. To my right hand side, we have Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. So while she's cooking and cleaning, they are working hard in those mines, looking for those diamonds. On the left hand side, we have Cinderella, who didn't make it to her curfew, but don't worry about it, she still got her happily ever after with Prince Charming.
The boat broke down. We're playing battleship.
On my left hand side, we have all these succulent plants. We either call quilt or blanket, and it's just an inspiration to our 1933 symphony called Cartoon Lullaby. If you're familiar with our classic, to my left hand side we have Mr. Toad, the Winds of the Willow. Looks like he's not home, probably driving around in Fantasyland, so we're going to go ahead and move along to our friends from Arendelle, Frozen. This is our last story and the ending of our voyage, The Little Mermaid. Also under the water fight to be a little bit enchanted. But just remember to remain seated. Please keep all hands, arms, and fingers inside the boat at all times. Especially my people on the dock side. Please keep all hands, arms, and fingers inside the boat at all times.
We're gonna crash. We're gonna crash.
How many of you guys? How many? At the count of three. 1, 2, and
Block.
What? Left or right, folks? Please continue to your left or right.
Now that I have, you look down, you got like lines, you get to the exits by Alice or one of the attraction. Thank you.